20 Minutes Setswana presents
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about family. Are you ready, kids? So, in this family, there is a father, there is a mother, a brother, and a sister. Now let's learn the words in Sesotho. What is the word for father in Sesotho? That's right. It's ntate. And do you know what the word is for mother in Sesotho? Very good. Mme. Now, what is the word for sister in Sesotho? That's right. Kgaitsedi. And what is the word for brother in Sesotho? Very good. Abuti. Now in this family, there is also a cat. What is the word for cat in Sesotho? That's right. Katsi. And what would a family be without a dog? What is the word for dog in Sesotho? Very good. Ncha. So, we have ntate, mme, abuti, kgaitsedi. We have ncha and katsi. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.